Hello. Now I wonder why they have these pulley systems along the whole embankment. So as it turned out, it's actually being used to transport some of those feeds for the fishes by using that pulley, hang it to the string, and then down to the ponds. Pretty interesting. I mean, it's basic, but very useful. I mean, everyone's using it. I think I've reached the end of this embankment, and I don't know which way I need to go apart from going back, I suppose. What they're using those little balls kind of clipped into the branch of the tree. Interesting. All of them has. This is fun. I got friend on the road, finally. That's David from Leeds. Just bumped into him again today. He started all the way back from Nong Khai, and I started a little bit earlier than him. So obviously he's riding a lot faster than I am. That's why he managed to caught up. Let me test my limits today. I didn't actually have a breakfast yet, so I'll see if I can caught up. So Dave and I just reached Pont Pisai. Very small town. I think it's more like an agricultural town next to the Mekong River. So I was cycling for about 2 kilometers in to this lovely place. However, the road suddenly became patchy. This is not looking good. I don't know for how long this dirt patch is gonna go on for. Yep, I think I'm stuck. Such a stupid idea. In the second thought, this is much beautiful than the highway. Good morning, atypical nomads. Other than the sounds of the birds and crickets around and the roosters, I think this is the quietest sleep that I ever had in a while. Because usually I would sleep in the monasteries or border control stations, but those places are generally located like right next to the main highway or any major roads. This one's out of the main highway, and the closest road that you can see really is that pathway that's still being developed next to the Mekong River. Here's my tent, surrounded by this little, I still don't know what these are, but it looks like a coconut tree, which is kind of shortened. I don't know, there's gotta be a name for this tree. It looks interesting though. And I thought when I saw this place, yeah, I gotta be a very good cover through the night. You know, I know if it rains, it's not gonna be drastic because it's a little bit covered. Yeah, it's a lovely setup. Right, it's not even a main highway yet. think it's still gonna be developed in a few years. Guessing this is gonna be asphalt. Right now it's just made of soil. But they have a pathway here though. Very nice spots. With direct access to the river. Ooh, interesting. So the Mekong River is kind of divided by this little island. Mekong River all the way, still gonna go windy up until Bueng Kan, which I'm going to or heading to today, hopefully, depending on how much speed I can get. It's a lovely place. Pork pan. Pork some pork.
You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh.
ข้าวเหนียว
Yep.
เดินทางปลอดภัยเด้อ
Do you want money for it? Thank you very much. Yep. Ladies are so nice. They have to offer me this rice. They said komai. I didn't realize it's actually they meant rice. Bought this pineapple for 20 baht. They had it chopped, so I pay extra 10 baht. However, when I paid extra 10 baht, they then picked up another one, like a small one. I was like, oh, okay, fine. Kapkun mag. Sawadi.
Some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak my mind. Oh.
I have been given permission by the monk to stay in that little hut over there. It's probably not part of the monastery per se, but because it's literally in front of it, then it's kind of their responsibility, whoever stays along this vicinity. Oh man, I'm psyched. I was gonna ask to stay in one of the monasteries that I passed in the last 40 minutes, but I said, nope, I gotta hold up for a bit. And this is what I end up with. Oh my god. Oh my god. Look at this. This is very useful. You want your
มามีลาวมามีลาว
Hello,
Wow.
Mamira.
เวียนเทียนนี่
Vientiane. Oh, she's born in Vientiane?
my mom มัม
Her mother's from Vientiane. Vientiane, okay. So she's half Thai, half
เออ
Laotian.
เดี๋ยวจะปีไทย
Nit Noi.
นิดหน่อย
I can speak Sawadikap.
ไอ้ครับ
Kun Krap.
ก็โอเคโอเคโอเคโอเค
But not many, not many. Comes to Papa. The monk is, he looks very young.
ไม่ถึงอะไร
Monk.
ที่เดียว
Tidiao.
ที่เดียวหนุ่มอะไรที่เดียวหนุ่ม
Yeah, the monk.
อ๋อ
Yeah.
ก็โยนสปีกไทยโอเคนี่ก็โอเค
I need to practice.
ไม่สำเนียงมันได้
Baby, you give me ice and fire.
Hey, just wanna be pet, right? Say goodbye. Bye bye. Yeah, I know. Bye bye, kaput krap. Sawadee kap. Beautiful grandfather and granddaughter.
Chilling in the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite.